So guys, welcome back. I want to run you guys through on everything that we got from the market right now. That is the prices of provision as at 2025 in Nigeria. So let's get right into it. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, like this particular video, and let's get right into it. This is the 400 gram of the Nestle. So let me open it up and show you guys. So this 400 gram, and it runs 10 in this kind of carton, which is the 400 gram, and this costs, I have my list anyway, this costs 35,000 naira for a carton. These are the sizes. These are the sizes. I have 3 cartons of this particular Milo, which costs 35,000 naira each. This before we were buying it for like 20 something, but right now it is now 35,000. We'll be carrying it down. We have 4 cartons of noodles. That is the onion chicken. I think I should be looking for the onion chicken. So 2 cartons of this one on top is 10,000 naira. Then the onion chicken, I think, is like 15,000 naira. The onion chicken is 11,000 naira. So this is it. This one costs 10,000. Why this one costs 11,000 naira for Indomie? I don't know how much they're selling the super pack, but this is what we have. This pack of 50 cheese ball, I got it for 4,300 naira. This is just like a mini pack that the children can go to. The children can go to school with. Let me show you the size, like this sizes. So it is 50 inside here. This costs 4,300 naira. This is a carton of Maggi. That is the Knorr cubes, not the chicken one. Not the chicken one. And this costs 26,000 naira. Because there is no need for us buying, is it 2,600? I think this costs 26,000 naira. Let me show you. I usually prefer the normal chicken. Hope this is the normal chicken. I usually prefer the normal one, not the chicken one, but some people prefer the chicken Knorr cubes, but I prefer this one. Carton runs in 14, which they have written here, 14, and it is the 8 gram. So this is our Maggi. So this is half of sweet corn, which is like this is 8 sweet corn, and this costs 9,000 naira, which is the half. It's just the very small size, it's not like the big size. This is the green giant, which happens to be the best, the green giant, and it is 12 in number here, which costs 9,000 naira. A carton of macaroni, golden penny pasta macaroni, which is for the kids. They basically eat, they love pasta, they love spaghetti, and they love macaroni. So this is the size, and inside this carton 24 it's 20 sachets of this carton of macaroni costs 20,000 naira, and this is the size. We have Sonia tin tomato. Sonia tomato makes, of course. Sonia tomato make, yes sir. Sonia tomato makes, easy to open, easy to open, easy to squeeze, easy to scoop, and easy to turn. So we have this size of Sonia tin tomato, which happens to be the best for me. You can buy the half of this particular Sonia tin tomato. A carton of tin tomato is 48 in a carton, and this costs 33,000 naira for this particular carton. Pure Bliss biscuits, I got it for the kids snacks, very small one. I think this costs either 3,000 something or 2,000 something. We have a carton of Happy Hour. This is like the chocolate one. Either of them is 3,000 something, and then one is either 2 and then 3. That is 5,500 for these 2 biscuits. 4 Viva detergents, and this costs 14,500. That is the big size of this. As we dey buy, may we take am easy, dey use shebi you hear am. This one now na 17,500. 17,500. Where we take them easy they use. So this 4 Viva cost 17,500 naira. Lay like this now. 17,500. 4 Nasco cornflakes. This cost 2,700 for one packet like this, and it costs 2,700 each, and we have 4, which is 10,800. Burger peanuts costs either 5,500 for one, and we have 2 of that, which is 11,000 naira. Mimi chin chin, 1 roll costs 1,700, and we have 2. And this 1 roll is like 10. 2 of them is 3,400. That is what we have here. 3 rolls of Nescafe 3-in-1 is 2,000 naira, and we have 3 rolls, which is 6,000 naira. I usually love this 3-in-1 because it has everything, Milo milk, and everything you need to have like a very quick tea in the morning. So this is it. A roll is 10, which costs 2,000 naira. A bottle of sesame oil costs 4,500, and a bottle of soy sauce costs 2,500 naira. We have curry powder. If you want to go for the sachet Gino one, it's equally fine, but this costs either 2,500. Yes. Wait, oh, 6,500. Hey! For 1. Yes, thank you. Thank you for that shout. For 1. Now for 1. It seems we'll be getting the sachet one. If we get the sachet one, we'll cut it and be pouring inside. 6,500 like this. So this one costs 6,500. Same goes for the thyme, and we have 3, which cost a pack of Benny costs 8,000 naira. 8,000 for this pack. I don't know how many is in a pack, but this costs 8,000 naira. So this big ketchup costs 8,000 naira. Hence tomato ketchup 8,000. So if your child wants to take ketchup, you know, say those ones, they know they take it easy to take ketchup. You have to monitor them. Mind how they take this. This is 8,000 in case you don't go to the market. I'm telling you now, 8,000. So they should be taking it small like this. This brown sugar costs 3,500. You can use this for your baking and any other thing that you want to make use of with sugar. This blue band butter, this one costs 2,700 naira, and we have 2 of them. So this aroma sachet of it costs 2,500, right? Yes, it costs 2,500 naira. We have this chicken seasoning and fried rice spice. I can't remember how much they are selling this, but this is the spice supreme. It's very nice. I love it. Okay, 3 liters of hypo, which costs 2,500 each. Hypo 2,500 each. May we take am easy with hypo. This is our hypo. I also got these bottles for smoothie. This one don't press. So this one costs, a dozen costs 2,500 for this. A dozen of this one costs 1,800, and then a dozen of the ginger shots. This ginger shots cost 1,500 for a dozen. That is 12. We have 36 here. We have 2 dustbin bag, which is 1,000 naira, and this is 2,000 naira for 2 dustbin bag. I don't know if this one there for grocery, but all of them they. I got this for Lotana. They sold everything. Let me just bring out everything. These 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. Everything costs 13,500. So they were telling me 5,000 for each, but they calculated everything. My kids' leg 36, 40, and 41. Very soon, it almost start wearing the father's leg, but there is no difference. This seed costs 4,000 naira, and then this funnel, I think they sold it to me for either 800 or 1,000 naira. This tray costs 1,500. You can use this to put fruits, for which you can keep in your kitchen countertop. That is why I actually got this. And then these rubbers that are for juice, juice. For you can use it to store salad in the fridge, and then if you cut your fruits, you can add it inside. So I think one costs 2,700. That is how much I got for this. Bella. Then this spoon, I got this spoon either for 300 each. This one, this is very good if you want to mold your rice. You know that rice that they used to mold. This spoon is very okay, so I got 2. And then our Bella tissue, this is like either 24 or so, I'll be 48. Bella tissue costs 20,000 naira. It is expensive to clean bomb. It is very expensive. So this costs 20,000 naira for our Bella tissue. I got this juice pouch from the market. They sold to me one like this for 300 naira. One each, 300 naira. So I have like either 10 here, 5 each, which cost 3,000 naira. That is how much we have here. This pot is actually someone's gift, but I'm happy that I am actually doing it. This size of pot, this is Picasso. This one is not tower. This one is the Picasso. This is the size of this for making bulk soup, which is very, very important. So these two cost 40,000 naira. They were telling me for the 3 sets for either 120, but I said this size is definitely okay for the person. So these are the last 2 items that I got from the market. And if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate. God bless you. So let me know in the comment section, do you think that the prices of these items are so high or is minimal? Let me know in the comment section. And also, I don't know if I can do comparison of the last grocery haul that I did, the prices and right now, but definitely prices increases every single day in Nigeria. Like if you are stepping out like this, it's equally everywhere anyway. Okay, it's equally everywhere, but we thank God for providing. That is all I will always say. So God bless our daddy for buying all these things for us. We really, really appreciate. So we have come to the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, share this particular video. Let me know in the comment section the prices of some of these items that I showed you guys. Let's compare our prices in the comment section, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.